Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Bose QuietComfort headphones, one side not working. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals where one side of their Bose QuietComfort headphones isn't working. How do you actually go ahead and fix that? Now, I faced this issue myself, and what I did was that I actually reset my Bose QuietComfort headphones. Now, in order to do this, you're going to turn on your Bose QuietComfort headphones, and then next, you're going to slide to the right for about 30 seconds. Now, once you slide to the right, you're going to see that it turns into Bluetooth pairing mode, and that's indicated by this blue light here. So once it's in Bluetooth pairing mode, it's going to start blinking. And then if you hold it for about another 20 seconds, it should clear your devices that are connected to your Bose QuietComfort headphones. So by simply sliding to the right, you are resetting what devices your Bose QuietComfort headphones are connected to. But that is essentially one way to go ahead and fix one side not working. Now the other thing that you can try is simply to turn off and on your Bose QuietComfort headphones as well. Now with that, another way to actually go ahead and do this is that if your Bose QuietComfort headphones are no longer working completely on one side, you could actually contact Bose themselves and tell them about your issue. And once you contact them, they'll actually give you a 10% off discount to buy a new pair of headphones. So that might be useful for you also if your Bose QuietComfort headphones are completely not working on one side. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix one side not working on your Bose QuietComfort headphones. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.